everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and quick and easy rice pilaf recipe. The rice today I'm going to make with the dry nuts. Cashews, pistachios, you can use a whole almond and then you can slice it, or if you have available sliced almond you can use that. Then raisin, 1 cup rice and 2 cup water, half teaspoon each cumin seed, jeera, coriander powder, salt, black pepper, turmeric powder and olive oil. And let's start making our delicious dry fruit rice pilaf. So wash it 2-3 times with the cold water. Start burner. Get a fry pan. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin seed. So give it like a 10 seconds. This is good. Add dry fruit. Cashews, pistachios, sliced almonds. Mix it well. So keep it moving and we're going to dry roast for 1 minute. It's 1 minute. Now we're going to add rice and water. Mix it. Now we're going to add the spices. Turmeric powder, salt, black pepper, coriander powder. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. As you see, the water started to boil, and now we're going to cook the rice for 5 minutes with the high flame with the cover lid. The timing is very important. 5 minutes, cook it with the cover lid, cooking for 5 minutes. Open it. Add raisins. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, as I mentioned earlier, timing is very important. Now bring the gas to simmer. Cover with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. So let it simmer for 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes cooking on a simmer. As you can see, the rice pilaf is nicely done. I'm going to turn off the burner. The burner is off. Now let it sit for 5 minutes. I'm going to open it with the help of fork. Look at this. Rice pilaf is all done. So now this is important thing. Just after turning it over, I just wanted to show it to you. You really don't need to do this step. Now let it sit for 5 minutes. No more heat. Let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, once it cool down, then we're going to dish out. We waited another 5 minutes. Now it's cooled down. I have my serving platter ready. And our delicious dry fruit rice pilaf is all ready. It's very tasty and very delicious rice pilaf. Look at this. And let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious dry fruit rice pilaf is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this dish, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.